Hey everyone, good morning and welcome to today's video. So in today's video we will look at the trade setup for Euro USD. So as usual we will first look at the economic calendar on what are the news that's coming up from the US and the Eurozone, as well as a few other important news. And then we'll come back to the chart and look at the technical aspect of how the Euro USD trading is doing, and what is the potential trade that we could do. But before that, let's look at the trade that I gave on Monday and how it turned out to be. So on the Monday, when USD was trading at 1.088 region, I said enter half of your trades, short your trades here, sorry, here, and rest of the trades at 1.09, and exactly as I said, it went until 1.09, and if it had taken my trades, and it would have been a profit of at least like 80 pips. And if you trade like one lots, and if you entered 0.5 here and 0.5 here, you have easily made like $500-600. So that's free money, and as you know that I'm not taking any money, and I'm just giving free signals here. And the drawdown was very minimal here. As I said, it's going to go up a bit, and then as I said, it went up and then it dropped down. So that was really good trade if you have taken it. So let's look at the economic calendar first. It was busy morning from the Eurozone. A couple of high priority news coming up from the Eurozone. The CPI year on year and month on month. So year on year, it actually went up a bit. It was up by 0.1%, but again, not a big increment. But on CPI on month, there was a drop of 0.3%. The forecast was given as 0.7, lower than the previous month. It came actually lower than the forecast. So that was something that did not support the eurozone at all. And scrolling down, we got this news from the GBP. Since we are not going to look at the GBP USD, so I'll skip off that. And euro 10-year bond action, so I'll skip that. And then scrolling down, we got this news from the US zone, the US building permits. It actually came lower than the forecast as well the previous month, but not too low from the forecast. And the housing stats for the April actually came a bit higher than the previous month as well as the forecast. So overall, it is actually supportive for the US, I would say, the news that came out. And scrolling down, we don't have any other news coming up from the Eurozone. Even though there is a crude oil inventory news coming up, we are not going to look at that in detail, since we are not going to trade the crude or the Brent now. Other than that, no other major news coming up from the Eurozone or the US zone. So let's go back to our chart. So looking at the chart, it's currently trading at 1.083, and the RSI is at 35. It was a bit lower, and it's just going up a bit, and I assume it would go until this 1.085 region, and then it's going to go down from there. So the trade setup for today would be just wait for Euro USD to go up a bit, somewhere near to 1.085 region, and then you can short, or else you can short now half of your trades now and then wait for it to go up a bit and enter the rest of the half of the trades. And the take profit would be somewhere here to 1.08 region, and this is where the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement as well as psychological support of 1.08 stays. And again, there was an incident earlier as well where it came down and it turned out to be a support region. So as of now, as I said, enter half of your trades now and then wait for it to go up a bit until 1.085 and then short the rest of your trading lots. So if you're one of them who want to hold their trades for a longer time, you can hold or move a stop losses, so that even if it comes up, it doesn't go into loss. It turns out to be positive. On an 1 week note, I would say it's actually going to come down to 1.073, but we'll have to wait for this region to be broken. So we will re-enter the USD short once it breaks this region, retests, and then we take a short, and that would be an easy target of roughly 70 pips. But as of now, let's just go with short, which I said, and hopefully the trade turns out to be a good profitable one, similar to the previous ones I gave. So happy hunting, pips, and please like and subscribe to my channel, as well as share my videos if you like it. And if you have any comments, or if you want to know more details about this trading, please drop a note, and I'm happy to include those in my next videos. Otherwise, that's all from me. Thanks everyone, and have a nice day. See you.